How you doing, guys? It's Ricky here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show off my new to me 2021 Kawasaki Z125. Okay, here it is. I have done a lot of aftermarket work to this bike since I've gotten it. So I have a full stunt kit, front and rear axle pegs, front cage, rear sub cage meant for stunting. I got rid of, I wanted it to be street legal, so I have an integrated tail light and I have my license plate mounted to the rear sub cage. Okay, there's an aftermarket exhaust on there that's pretty loud. I got rid of the side mirrors, so they're the OEM goofy looking nerdy side mirrors are gone. Have some mirror hole plugs on there, and then I got these nice bar end mirrors, and I have a phone mount. Other than that, I'm pretty sure that is anything aftermarket on here, aside from these homemade little fork socks that I made with some zip ties. Okay, that is my new to me Kawasaki Z125. I got it with about 700 miles on it, and I'm currently at about 950 miles on it. Okay, I don't plan on keeping this bike for very long, because I wanted it to be a stunt bike and I built it to be a stunt bike, right? But my ankle still hurts from the motorcycle accident last year, and when I put my feet on those back pegs on that stunt bar, it just hurts, and then I flinch, and then I start to lose balance. So I can't use the rear stunt cage while trying to do wheelies and shit. And if I'm only doing like first gear clutch ups all the time and whatnot, then it's like, why not just use a bigger bike for stunting? That way I can do it on the street, because all I'm doing basically on this bike is able to do little first gear wheelies around parking lots and whatnot. So I got the bike for stunting, and it is great for stunting. I'm just not able to use everything that I put on the bike, but this is how I built it since I've gotten it. It is a lot of fun. I do appreciate the gas mileage, and I appreciate how low maintenance it is, and everything on this bike is super cheap and easy to replace. Definitely great for a DIYer or a beginner. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll probably try to make a few videos with this bike before I get rid of it, but I'm thinking about getting a cruiser just for something more comfortable to commute on, that's more usable, it goes faster really. And then I have my other bike that I haven't shown y'all yet. That'll be for another video. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. And if you're here specifically for the mini moto, then expect to see a few videos with this bike, so stay tuned for that.